Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is AH for Truth. All right, I want to talk to you guys today about the coming gold rush, the coming crypto gold rush. There is coming a gold rush. I really believe it. I'm going to take a seat here and I'll just, talk to you guys about this. So, there is a crypto bull run in the offing, right? But there's also a gold rush coming. What is this gold rush? Like, for those of you who are worried, maybe you are new to crypto, it's like, oh my goodness, everything is down. This is right. Crypto goes up and down. If you've been in it for quite a while, this is the space. This is what happens. So calm down, relax. You bought at highs. Don't worry about it. If you are in the cryptos that matter, you will be in the bull run that matters. You will have profit that matters, life-changing profit. There is also a wealth transfer coming for those of you who are in the wealth transfer community. You've heard us talking about it. You've heard others talking about it, prophecies and all of that. It's all going to come to pass. The gold rush was something that happened between 1848 and 1855 with mass migration to California after gold was discovered. It sparked economic growth and an expansion westward. And then there is also the Black Gold Rush, which refers to the early 20th century oil boom, particularly in Texas, where oil discoveries fueled rapid industrial and economic development. And if you go to these places, you would find that a lot of the economic development and even the size of these states and communities in the states, as it were, California and Texas, can be traced back to these booms, this what we call the gold rush and the black gold rush. And in many countries where you've discovered, where oil has been discovered or things like that over the last 50, 60, 70 years, the same has happened, right? Now we have a new resource and it's crypto, and there will be a crypto gold rush. Actually, for me personally, I was just walking one day and I felt the Spirit of God speak to me and said, a gold rush is coming. A crypto gold rush is coming. And ever since, sometimes I'll, go to bed thinking about it. I'll wake up, thinking about it. As a matter of fact, a week ago, I woke up from sleep or thereabouts and I just remembered and thought, you know what, I will make a video. And I was talking to Kryptonite, a friend of mine and of the Kryptonite channel. And we were just having this conversation. I said, yes, a gold rush is coming. It's a crypto gold rush. And it's not like, in California or in Texas or in Nigeria or in Brazil for that matter. It's worldwide, right? Crypto is going to be the new leveler. And so what do we see happening? Well, in 2026, I believe that there will be a crypto boom like never before. I think it will even start this year. Will there be a dip? Yes, dips are common. They will come. All kinds of things happening, politics, wars, rumors of wars, all kinds of things will cause crypto to either go up or down. But inevitably, because the entire banking system, the financial system of the world, the world economy is being digitized as we speak, there is no way crypto is going to explode. So why would there be a crypto gold rush? Because those who have been sleeping, those who have said, oh, this is not going to happen, it's just like the internet, nothing is going to happen, it's not going to change, there will be no flying cars. Now we see that we're closer to flying cars than ever before. There are actually flying cars as we speak, right? It's just a matter of regulation to make it possible for people to actually buy a flying car and fly wherever they want to go. And some of you probably know, you've seen places where this is being used. I have seen videos from China, and some people have tried it out in the United States. So this is a reality, right? Technology is advancing. So whether people like it or not, it's going to happen. And, some people are going to be caught unawares. And what will happen? There will be a gold rush. So if you are holding crypto now, you are an early adopter, you are not late, if you are just getting in, be calm. It's coming. There will be a massive flood of people. And so if I want to predict anything, I wouldn't say, anything I say on this channel, again, is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go and buy crypto, invest in crypto. I don't have any qualifications to give you financial advice. I'm just, an enthusiast who makes videos regarding this subject, and hopefully you can learn a thing or two from my own experiences and then do your own research to give you conviction for what you have to do. So I really believe that a crypto gold rush is coming, and it will begin towards the end of this year. I also sense that we will have one of the best Christmases that we've ever had. So I'm very I'm very grateful for the opportunity that I have to be part of those who invested in crypto. I consider myself early, as many of you are too, and I hope that you consider yourself early as well. If you look at the statistics, we are a tiny minority as far as it goes, who have invested in this technology. So, as I always say, and in my book, if you're new to crypto, I wrote a book just for you, Crypto Made Easy. It's in the description. Get a copy. The second book is titled Cryptocurrencies, the Future of Banking, Finance, and Value Transfer is here. Both books would really, really help you a long way. And I also want to say that on September 27, by the grace of God, I will be hosting, along with Crypto Night and a few friends of ours, Iton Entertainment and a couple other people, the first Meme Coinology Conference online, Saturday, September 27th. Get ready. It's not a free webinar. It's going to be a paid one, and we will be posting the links for people to register. If it's called the Meme Coinology Conference. Meme Coinology Conference. I will not be giving out the website right now, but in the next couple of days we'll give you all of that information, and you can register and be part of the Meme Coinology Conference. It's going to be a great time. There are a lot of people who do not know where to start from. There are some of you who have started and you are stuck. You're like, man, this area is crazy. I don't know how to navigate it. But if you have put some money aside for investment and you would like to be taught, to be shown the way, it's going to be a 3-hour online conference where we'll teach you certain things that will be a blessing and help you set yourself up for a generation, for generations to come. And more than that, it will also give you, the tools that I believe you need to accumulate to help you go into what I would call the blue chip crypto assets. A lot of those kind of assets right now, the blue chip ones, in my opinion, when assets is $1, 30 cents, 50 cents, it's already getting out of the reach of most people. But there are a lot of people who are like, if I only could get an opportunity. So the Meme Coinology Conference will be one of those, and I think that you should think about attending if you are new to crypto or you have been in crypto and you just want a little bit more knowledge, you want to move forward. There's so much you will gain from the Meme Coinology Conference. Well, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in all my other videos. Please, if you are new, subscribe, like, comment. That helps the channel. Also, if you'd like to be a member, the join button is right there, or in the description is also there. You click on the link and it'll take you into the area where you can become a member. It's $5.11 per month to be a member on this channel. Those who are members already know. And let me say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all those who are members on the channel. And we have fun when I do the member lives, and I share devotionals sometimes, and I also pray for people on there. And there's so much that there is to gain for being a member. I appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, there is a crypto gold rush coming, and you who has bought the crypto early, you are standing at the mine and you mine your gold, and you're waiting for people to come and push you up to the next level. Well, thank you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.